In this demo, I'll be walking you through how to install VI and VIM on your Mac. And I'll be using OS X 10.10, Yosemite. This could possibly work with other versions. This is 10.10 is the version that I'll be using. Just a quick note here, VI is actually pre-installed into your operating system. All you have to do is pull up the terminal and type VI, the file you want to edit, and you'll be able to enter the VI editor. Now, VIM has to be installed with a third-party tool with either Homebrew, or if you go to the website and download the file itself. So let's go over to my Mac and we'll get started with this right away. Here I am on my Mac, and there's two ways of installing VIM. If you want to install it manually, or if you want to use Homebrew. If you want to use Homebrew, the easiest way to do it is if you do brew install VIM. And this is going to go ahead and install that file for you and add those values to the path variable and configure VIM for you. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go through now. Looks like the build process is now completed. So I'm going to go to my desktop here, and I'm going to make a directory and just call it app. Go inside that directory, and I'm going to call it vim app.js. And as you can see, I am inside the console now working with VIM. And that's all there is to installing VIM on a Mac. Now I'm going to show you also how to install it manually. You have to go to VIM's main website, vim.org, and what you want to do is you want to click on right here, download section here, and you're looking for the Unix. And what you want to do is you want to run these commands here. So I'm going to go grab this, go back into my terminal here, paste that in there. It's going to go ahead and clone VIM. Into the source folder, and the next thing to run is to run the make command. But before I run the make command, I want to do brew uninstall vim, and that goes ahead and removes vim from your Mac. So the last thing here is to run make, and this is going to go ahead and install the application into my Mac now. This has completed. Now let's see, this verify if this is actually working. Let me see what directory I'm in here. I'm going to go up 2 directories. I'm going to edit that file. And as you can see, we're back to having VIM installed here on this machine. So again, that's all there is to installing VIM